North Korean leader Kim Jong Un test-fired a newly developed sniper rifle during an inspection of the country's special forces on Friday, signaling a ramp-up in military preparedness amid growing international scrutiny over Pyongyang's deployment of troops to support Russia's war in Ukraine. State media outlet Korean Central News Agency reported the visit on Saturday, emphasizing Kim's focus on bolstering actual war capability for guaranteeing victory through intensive training. Kim's visit showcased the regime's latest military hardware, with KCNA highlighting that the sniper rifle, developed in our own way, is set to be supplied to special operations units. Images released by state media depicted Kim aiming through the rifle's scope, inspecting a bullseye target, and engaging with heavily camouflaged soldiers. The North Korean leader supervised automatic and sniper rifle drills, personally testing the weapon and expressing great satisfaction with its performance and power, according to KCNA. The timing of the visit coincides with heightened tensions on the Korean peninsula and beyond. South Korea's intelligence agency has reported that thousands of North Korean soldiers, including special forces units, have been dispatched to Russia to aid Moscow's ongoing conflict with Ukraine, a claim that has raised alarms in Seoul and among its allies. Kim's emphasis on patriotism and loyalty during the inspection underscored the strategic importance of these elite units, which he described as vital to the nation's defense and warfighting capabilities. Meanwhile, political upheaval in South Korea added another layer of complexity to the regional dynamic. On the same day as Kim's visit, South Korea's Constitutional Court upheld the impeachment of President Yoon Suk-yeol, removing him from office over a failed martial law declaration on December 3rd last year. Yoon had justified the move as a response to anti-state forces and perceived threats from North Korea. His ouster has triggered fresh elections, with opposition leader Lee Jae-myung, a proponent of a more conciliatory stance toward Pyongyang, emerging as a potential frontrunner. KCNA briefly noted Yoon's dismissal, citing foreign media reports, marking its first acknowledgement of the development. Analysts suggest North Korea may view the political instability in the South as an opportunity to assert its military prowess and strengthen its position on the global stage. Adding to the geopolitical intrigue, U.S. President Donald Trump, now in his second term, hinted at renewed engagement with Kim this week. Speaking to South Korea's Yonhap news agency, Trump, who met Kim 3 times during his first administration, revealed he is in communication with the North Korean leader and plans to do something at some point. The vague statement has sparked speculation about potential diplomatic overtures or negotiations, particularly as North Korea deepens its military ties with Russia. Kim's high-profile test of the sniper rifle and his focus on special forces training underscore Pyongyang's determination to project strength amid shifting alliances and regional uncertainties. As South Korea prepares for a new leader and the U.S. weighs its next move, North Korea's military ambitions and its growing role in the Ukraine conflict remain a critical flashpoint in East Asia and beyond.